digital, analog, ham.
Right, hi everybody, it's Chris 2E0UKH, and I'm just looking at this cool piece of Android software. It's called Droidstar. If you don't have Android, you can check out Dstar on Windows. I know nothing about that one. You might even need to compile it, but that's your other alternative if you don't have Android. And Droidstar lets you transmit on lots of the digital modes. So go to the Play Store on Android and download that. You can see I've already installed it. I've already installed it, so I'll get it to start. If you go to settings, you just put at the top in, you put your call sign in and your DMR ID number, and below that you can put the password for your Brandmeister self-care. You know, if you're in America and you require a password, or if you've got a password, it's always a good idea to have one. You can put that in the settings in the password field, and you choose your mode at the top. So you've got reflectors, X reflectors, DCS, they're all Dstar. You've got YSF, which is Yaesu System Fusion, DMR, P25, NXDN and M17, which is a new upcoming mode. And we'll try and hear something on Dstar. I have been playing with this earlier. This one doesn't transmit, by the way, Dstar. Now it's saying connecting. When it's worked, it will say disconnect. So if you don't have much luck with it, make sure you're connected, and it says disconnect. So 1 Charlie connect. See, now it says disconnect, so I am connected. I just believe there's no one talking at the moment. I don't have a transmit button. If I did, it would be here. So that's Dstar. It does work. I have heard people on it. Although you may have problems. I know loads of people that have tried it and said Dstar doesn't work, but Fusion does. You know, this is experimental software, and it's for experimenting with. So that's a reflector. Let's try America Link on Fusion. Now
Vincent, when he got his license back a couple years ago, and with the captain, he's getting more use out of it than I would. I got about 6 feet.
So I have actually made some contacts on America Link. You know, I did go on America Link, and they said I sounded fantastic, great audio. So I can confirm it does transmit on YSF. You know, this software relies on a very good fast phone. You know, if you've got an old phone, you know, you might struggle, might be unusable, but it's worth trying it. So I have got it working on YSF, and you've got the choice of loads and loads of rooms. You know, there's a little dot there showing where we are on the list. You know, it really is a big list. So you got YSF, DMR. So if I wanted to do an audio check on the talk group 9990, be private call, so I didn't interfere with other people. Type in the talk group there. You know, this could be where you put 91, talk group 91. You're not going to do a group call. Sorry, in private call 9990. This is how you do a parrot call. So I'm just going to key up. Key up. Oh, I'm not connected. There we go. Connected. (2E0UKH) testing the Droidstar app. Strange, it did work. See, I was trying not to use a talk group, you see, I was trying not to tie up anything busy. Let's just put a quick call out on 91. Private call, so it's now group call. Press transmit, that connects me.
It is 1 o'clock in the midnight local time here. WD 9BN YE1AR, over.
Yeah, there's conversation on there. Let's go somewhere else. $23.50. Check, listen, check there's no one on there.
2E0UKH and 0 ATC. So absolutely fine to me. Nice now. Hopefully loud. Just right, I'd say. No problem at all. And 0 ATC.
Yeah, M0 AQC, it's Chris 2E0UKH. I'm just doing a video if that's okay. I'm just testing out a radio.
UKH M0 AQC, sorry about that. I'm just looking up. I'm a very old man. I've just come out of a little kit. Fine. No, you're absolutely fine, Chris. No problem at all. Nice to hear you there. Watched your live stream last night. I was going to come in on Dstar and have a chat, but in the end I got called away. So I was going to have a half hour with you, with the other guys. But anyway, I trust it all went well. Anyway, it was a good stream last night. 2E0 UKH and 0 AQC. Back to you.
So I have got it working now on the Parrot 9990. So I'm just going to put a call out to myself so I can hear it back. This is what anyone should do if you're testing your audio. If you want to know if you're too loud or too quiet. On here you can change your mic gain levels. If you go to settings, you've got a mic gain control here, slider. So 2E0 UKH doing an audio check. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
UKH doing an audio check. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
So clearly working. Let's just see what else it does. Main or disconnect. So DMR. You got P25. I wouldn't know where to go on that. P25. You know, it does connect. It is connected. Have got a transmit button, but I wouldn't know where to go on there. Put it in the comments. P25 NXDN. Same again. But it does work. It's, you know, it's given me the chance to disconnect, so it is connected. And it also does M17, and I know nothing about that yet. It's a new mode. But you can see this is pretty well thought out app. You can change the mic gains, update the host files. Doesn't seem to do anything my end when I press them. So something to play about with. It does work. It's still in beta, so keep an eye on it. Have a bit of fun with it. 7.3. Cheers.